Nature reserves around the world. Nature reserves are magical places, open for everyone to visit and enjoy. They protect spectacular wildlife and landscapes, including many rare species and habitats. Here are just a few beautiful reserves around the world. Loch Lomond. Loch Lomond is a beautiful lake in the west of Scotland. It's famous for its fantastic wildlife and woodland. Come in the spring and you'll see the woods full of beautiful bluebells and ransoms, wild garlic. In the woods around the lake, you can see red deer and red squirrels, and if you're really lucky, you might even see the rare majestic golden eagle. The best way to experience the beauty of the loch is on one of the guided canoe trips around the lake. You can visit all the wonderful islands and see one of the biggest surprises of the area. The pretty little island is home to the northernmost wild population of red-necked wallabies. These cute animals originally come from Australia and were brought to Scotland over 70 years ago. Corgilhen Nature Reserve. The Corgilhen Nature Reserve is to the west of Astana, and it covers more than 500,000 hectares of some of the most beautiful wetlands in Kazakhstan. The wet, swampy landscape is the perfect habitat for hundreds of species of animals and plants. Here you can see roe deer, lynx and elk, as well as rare species of moss, lichen and mushrooms that can't be seen anywhere else. But Corgilhen is most famous for all the amazing species of birds that go there. The two massive lakes on the reserve are like a giant crossroads for migrating birds. The best time to visit is the beginning of May, when you'll see fish eagles, pelicans and Siberian white cranes. However, the star attractions of Corgilhen are the famous greater flamingos. It's worth the trip just to see these beautiful pink birds.